In this video, I'll show you a free and open source AI tool that can upscale your images by more than 16x. Here is the sample image that we'll be using in this tutorial. As you can see, it's a low resolution image with poor overall quality. When you zoom in, the image becomes blurry and many of the fine details are lost. The image resolution is only 360 pixels, which is far too low for modern displays or high-quality printing. Now, let's use AI to upscale this image and dramatically improve its quality. For this, open Google Chrome and go to google.com. In the Google search, type Upscale. Now scroll down until you find the official Upscale website. Now click this link, Upscale, AI Image Upscaler. This will open Upscale, a completely free and open source AI image upscaler. It can upscale your images by up to 16x. Best of all, no subscription is required, and you can use it an unlimited number of times. Now, to download the software, go to the top and click the download button. The next step is to select your operating system. Since I'm using Windows, I will select the Windows option. Now the AI Image Upscaler software download has started. It may take some time to download, depending on your internet speed. Once the download has been completed, click the downloaded file. This will open the software installer. Now all you need to do is follow the installation steps by clicking the install button. Once the software has been installed successfully, you will find the Upscale shortcut icon on your desktop. Click it. This will open the AI Image Upscaler interface. Now, in the first step, I will select the image. Simply choose the low-quality image that you want to upscale. The next step is to select the AI model. You can choose any of the AI models you like, but I recommend sticking to the default selected AI model, Upscale Standard, as it is suitable for almost any kind of image. Once the AI model has been selected, come down to the image scale section. I will drag the slider all the way from 1x to the maximum 16x. The next step is to select the output folder. I will keep my output folder as the desktop. Now comes the final step. The software will upscale the image from 360 pixels to 5,000 pixels. Just click the Upscale button to start the process. Now you can see that the upscaling process has started successfully. But before the image gets upscaled, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now the upscaling process has been completed. When I drag the slider, I can see a significant improvement in the image details. Now let's go to the desktop and verify the upscaled image. As you can see, the low-resolution image has been upscaled by 16x, and the quality has improved drastically. So, if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.